Let's talk about mental health this morning. Nearly 1 in 5 adults experience a mental health condition. Ann Perry from the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, along with Reverend Zywicki from Transfiguration Lutheran Church out of Fenton, joining us in studio this morning. We're talking about an upcoming faith and mental health awareness program. Good morning.
Good morning, Matt.
Morning.
Yeah, thank you for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
We alluded to this earlier in the show as well. You know, this time of year can be stressful overall, but let's talk about the importance of focusing on mental health.
Well, it's definitely in relationship to my world, this is a stressful time of year. And we need to continue to pause. The season for us, and my faith tradition is called Advent, and it's supposed to be a time to pause. So we need to pause and focus on aspects of keeping ourselves healthy, and the church hasn't always done a great job in supporting that, so we're seeking to make that happen.
Well, let's expand on that and talk about a program called Soul Shop.
Correct.
What is that all about?
So this is in partnership with the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, and Soul Shop is particularly designed for faith-based communities, so leaders from faith-based communities, as well as the community at large, to talk about mental health and suicide prevention in a very real and applicable way.
Well, and talk about the opportunity to kind of partner up, team up here. Why do you think that's important?
Well, we've worked quite a bit with Kate and her church. Do you want to talk about why you think it's important?
Sure.
in the
I
faith
mean,
community?
I've been working with AFSP since 2018 when I started doing this work, and I really didn't know where to start. And they were amazing partners because they had so many programs that I could just tap and bring in, and they were looking for places that would host it. So it's just a really easy partnership, and we need to talk about it. We need to erase stigmas and taboos in the community in general, and especially within the church.
Do you have an event coming up you'd like to talk about, a specific program and what people can expect?
We do. On Friday, we'll be hosting Soul Shop at Kate's Church in Fenton, and she can go into a little bit more detail on that. AFSP, we have quite a few different programs and a lot of programs that we support in the community, but this one is very unique in that it talks about the scripture as it relates to mental health and suicide prevention, which isn't an angle that we really see. So it's very much a one-of-a-kind program. We're able to bring this free to the community of Fenton. There is a $25 charge, but it can be waived if that's a hindrance to anyone. So really, it's free. Thankfully, because we did get a grant from the Genesee Health System to be able to bring this in, so we partnered with them.
Well, and talk a little bit more about your core mission and why people should get involved with this and take advantage.
Sure. The American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, our mission is simple: to save lives and bring hope to all those affected by suicide. We do that largely by residing in that educational space and providing free prevention programs as well as supportive programs for those who have lost someone to suicide in communities throughout the state. And again, finding these unique opportunities to bring programs such as Soul Shop right here to Flint and everywhere.
Well, bottom line, why should people come out to this event?
So the event is Friday, the 6th from 9 to 5 p.m. And the reason is because actually, if you think of, there's 4 people that we can find within all of our congregations. And that's someone that is suicidal, someone that we're afraid is suicidal, someone who has experienced a loss, or someone who has been suicidal. So literally, if you're looking at the person next to you in your pew, that's a part of their life, and it's important to talk about.
It is an important topic. We saw that information on your screen. We'll show it quickly one more time so you can plan ahead to attend that event. It's Friday, December 6th, there in Fenton. And as always, if you're going through, if you need some help right now, you can call the national hotline at 988. That's
Correct.
an important number to remember. Thank you both for coming in and talking with us today.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Matt.